Alright, welcome back guys to another new video. So in today's video I'm going to show you all what your DRL light look like. That's daylight running light, which is this one right here, the N1 in your 2017 Hyundai Elantra. Yeah, so first what you need a flat pine screwdriver to remove the cover after turning it. So first what you want to do, going to turn it to the right, and when you feel it stop, you take a flat pine screwdriver and brace it off, and then put it like this, and here's the cover. So you can see open to the right, close to the left, and here's the bulb right here. So what you're gonna do, oh, the camera is a bit hard to focus. Okay, so first you're gonna take your finger and push the bulb to the left, just like that. Wow. Okay, and then pull out the bulb, and you're gonna squeeze the tab right here and pull. And here's the bulb. So this is your bulb. This is what it looked like. So that's a regular bulb. Yeah. So now I'm going to put it in back now. I have to use my one hand because I'm using my phone to record it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm going to put it in back now. So first you want to make sure that the three pins line up properly. Then you're going to pull to the right while pressing on the bulb, and there you go. And now I'm going to put on the cover. So first you want to make these, see that all these slots line up back properly. So you can turn it a little till it's seated like that, and then turn to the left till it back all the way around, and that's it. So that's how you change your bulb, or know the type of bulb you need for your DRL, daylight running light. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Catch you another time. Bye.